Isa sa mga lagi kong chine-check sa bahay ay hindi yung itsura, kundi kung practical ba siya sa daily living. Tara, check natin tong unit na to. This is the Elmar Single Attached Unit dito sa Northridge Heights, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. With 72 square meters lot and 75.6 square meters floor area, ang focus dito is yung usability, hindi lang yung laki ng lote. You get 3 bedrooms and personally, this is what makes a house flexible in the long run. Kids room siya ngayon, home office later, or guest room naman kung kinakailangan. That adaptability is very important in the long run. You also have 2 toilet and bath which make look simple pero malaking difference siya sa daily routine natin, lalo na in the mornings. May parking area, something buyers usually underestimate until wala na silang maparkingan. And may service area din which helps keep the home more organized in actual living. This is complete finished turnover, so ready na yung tiles, and painted na yung walls, and partitioned na rin yung mga kwarto. Less hassle, less gastos after ng turnover. Location-wise, practical din siya. Around 8 minutes lang to Star Mall, 14 minutes to SM SJDM, and 15 minutes naman sa ginagawang MRT7 SJDM station. Meaning, mas controlled yung daily travel time mo. Price starts at around 29,000 monthly down payment with 4.8 million total contract price. Turnover is up to 24 months pero mas maaga ka rin makakalipat kung matatapos mo yung down payment ng mas maaga rin. Income requirement is around 99,000 pesos and allowed naman ang co-borrower. 2 hanggang 3 ay pupwede. If I were reviewing this honestly, this is a very practical family home na worth i-consider if you want balanced layout and ready turnover unit dito sa San Jose del Monte. Once again, this is the Elmar Single Attached Unit here in Northridge Heights, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Message me if you want sample computation or kung gusto mong makita ito sa personal.